Okay, guys. I know there's going to be 3 videos for math, but we'll make it through it. So here we're going to be talking about strip diagrams again, but this time for division. So ears need to be open. You need to be paying attention because for this part right here, you're not going to write anything. You're just going to be watching me, but it's very important that you pay attention so we know. So we should know how to fill this part out already because we said that the top part of this is our whole slash total. Okay. And we said these individual boxes are our equal groups slash parts. Now, note, parts will always be equal because the same number is put into each group. So these numbers, when it comes to multiplication division, guys, these numbers are all going to be the same because we're putting them into equal groups. Equal means they have to be the same. Okay, so the same number is put into each group because we're talking about equal groups. Equal means the same. So let's see, how will we fill out a division strip diagram? Okay, and I want you to, as I'm working through this, I want you to think about how is this different from the multiplication one we did. So our problem is Raquel has 10 apples. She wants to split the apples into 5 groups. How many groups will Raquel put in each group? Okay, so let's kind of break this down. It says she has 10 apples. Okay, she doesn't have any more than that. She wants to split the apples into 5 groups. So I know how many groups I have. How many apples will she put in each group? So I'm looking for each group. I'm looking for what's going to go in each group. I know how many I have. I know how many groups I need each group. So 10 apples, guys, is going to be my total. So I already know my total. Actually, I need to draw it down here. So I'm going to draw my strip diagram. Oh, no, I'm going to use this one. So I already have my total. Actually, this won't work because that's not the right number. I got to redraw it. Okay, so I'm going to draw my strip diagram down here. So here's my strip diagram. Okay, so I know my total. I know I have 10 apples. Okay. I know my groups because it says she's going to put them into 5 groups. So I need to make 5. And just do it as best you can. As you see, Miss Nieto did not make the groups the same size. It's okay. But all that matters is we put the same number in the groups. So I have my groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what's going to go into the groups. Okay, so here's where my question marks are going. This is the mystery. What am I going to put into each group? Okay, so this is a division problem because remember, when we have the total and we know the groups, I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to divide it into the groups. That means I'm going to give each group 1 apple until I have no more. Okay, now I'm not going to do that in these boxes. Okay, I'm going to come draw a picture over here. I mean, you can do them in the boxes, but our numbers need to be in the boxes. So I'm going to draw my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm just going to give each group an apple until I run out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many apples did they each get? They each got 2. So that means that 2, the number 2, not the picture, needs to go in the box. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So my equation would be 10, because we start with the biggest number, divided by 5, because I'm dividing it into 5 groups, equals 2. So each group would get 2. Okay, so now let's work some problems together. So you're going to need the handout that you just completed. You completed this part, turn it over, and we're going to complete the back side of it. Okay, and so let's look at the first problem. It says first graders love chicken fingers. My kids love chicken fingers. I love chicken fingers. The teachers decided that 56 chicken fingers needed to be ordered for Wednesday's lunch. There are 8 chicken fingers in a box. How many boxes need to be ordered? Okay, let's break this up. So it says the teachers decided that 56 chicken fingers needed to be ordered. Okay. There are 8 chicken fingers in a box. How many boxes need to be ordered? So I know my total, guys. What's my total? 56. That's all I want to order. So on my strip diagram, I'm going to write 56. Okay. There are 8 chicken fingers in a box. So I know that in each box, there's going to be 8. I don't know how many boxes there is. Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. So I know what's going to go in the groups. I just don't know how many groups there are. Okay, so there's, so how can I model that? How can I show that? So I can either draw 56 chicken fingers and circle 8 at a time until I find how many, but you're going to be drawing for a long time. Or I can do, hold on, Miss Doak is interrupting my math lesson. Thank you, Miss Doak. I'm just kidding. I lost my train of thought. Oh, or I can, how about we do this? So I can do a model, and I can do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's one box of chicken fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2 boxes. So 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's another box. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 21. No, 24. Okay, we gotta get to 56. Let's do another box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That's 28. 24. No. Woo! That's a big number right there. So that would be, that's 32. Still got to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to be 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 plus 8 is 48. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 56. Oh, finally got there. So how many did I have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I had 7 groups. Okay, hold on 1 minute. Okay, so this should have said 8 and then ... because we don't know how many boxes to put. Okay, so how can I write my equation? Well, the reason they have 4 ways you can write your equation, because we can also show this as a multiplication problem. We can say 8 times blank equals 56. We can say blank times 8, because I don't know how many boxes, equals 56. Okay. Or we can do the division, which would be 60, 56 divided by 8 equals blank. Or 56 divided by blank equals 8. Okay, so the picture that we drew, or how we are trying to figure out, is equation 3, which is where we divide. Okay, but you can figure it out these other ways. So we said that we need 7 boxes. So how many boxes need to be ordered? 7 boxes need to be ordered. All right. So let's go ahead and look at the bottom one. Second graders prefer hot dog. Oh, it's a whole bunch of food. Tuesday is hot dog day, and you need to find out how many hot dogs are needed. You know 45 students say they want hot dogs. You have been told there are 9 boxes of hot dogs in the refrigerator. Which should be enough? How many hot dogs must be in each box? So let's break this up. And I'm going to start where it starts talking about the number. So you know that 45 students said they want hot dogs. You have been told there are 9 boxes of hot dogs in the refrigerator. How many hot dogs must be in each box? So I know the number of boxes. I don't know how many are in each box. So I know that there's 45 hot dogs, and I know that there's 9 boxes. Now remember, guys, you just divide this up as best as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I need to know how many are in each box. So I need to know what's going to go inside of these. So I can draw my 4 boxes, or my 9 boxes. 9. And then I'm just going to put 1 until I get to 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So how many are in each box? 5. So then I'm going to come down here and I can write, well, this technically should be little question marks. We don't know what's going to go in here. You can write 5 underneath because we know that 5 are going to be in each box. So what equations, how can we solve this problem? Well, we can do multiplication because we know how many boxes, so we can say 9 times blank equals 45. We can say blank times 9 equals 45. We can do division. We can say 45 divided by 9 equals blank. 45 divided by blank equals 9. Okay, so we did this equation. That's how we did our picture. So we know that 5 are going to be in each box. So 5 hot dogs are in each box. All right, guys, so we're going to work on this more tomorrow. So if you quite don't understand it just yet, that's okay. We'll have time tomorrow to do some more practice, okay?